Have you ever wondered why so many people are buzzing about cryptocurrency? Well, you are not alone. In fact, a recent survey has found that over 46 million Americans have invested in some form of cryptocurrency. The way we invest has changed dramatically over the years. Today we are diving into how crypto is reshaping the investment scenario. We will explore the shift from traditional investment methods to the digital currencies and why this change matters for both new and experienced investors. Before we move forward, please do consider subscribing to this channel if the subjects of business, finance and economy are of interest to you. So let us begin with a little background. Cryptocurrency began gaining popularity somewhere towards the earlier part of 2010. Bitcoin was the trailblazer, creating a new asset class. At first it seemed like more of a niche market, but that quickly changed as more people started to take notice of it. Fast forward to today, and we see a very different landscape altogether. Investing in stocks and bonds isn't the only game in the town anymore.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen.
So what led to the shift? For many, it is about accessibility. Investing traditionally often requires a sizable amount of capital. You need to deal with brokers and financial advisors. But with crypto, you can start investing with just a few dollars. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. This ease of access has definitely attracted a younger generation of investors. Millennials and Gen Z are leading the charge into the world of crypto investment. Nearly 75% of crypto investors belong to the young demographic, with ages spanning from 18 to 35 years. This represents a significant interest in crypto by the young generation. Many see it as a young frontier of wealth building. Another significant factor is the potential for high return. While investments in stock can generate profits, the crypto is far more volatile. This means it can offer high rate of returns, obviously with higher risk as well. People have heard the stories of individuals making millions overnight. Such tales fuel a desire to jump into the digital gold rush. Let us not forget about the desire for independence in the investing. Many investors are drawn to the concept of decentralization. This challenges traditional systems of investment, which appear outdated or inaccessible. Crypto gives individuals more control over their investments. They don't have to rely on banks or governments. Now, when considering investments, people are also looking at communities. The rise of social media platforms has created a community of investors. Platforms like Twitter and Reddit have become hotspots for discussion on crypto. People share tips, news, and opinions to make everyone feel connected. This community support encourages the newcomers to enter the market. However, it is vital to acknowledge that with great opportunities also come great risks. The volatility of cryptocurrency can lead to substantial losses. Many made ill-informed decisions based on hype alone. Consider the meme coin phenomena. Dogecoin started as a joke but gained massive popularity. Investors flocked to it, hoping to cash in on to its social media popularity. Some made profits, but others jumped onto it without any research and suffered heavy losses. Education has become very essential in today's investment landscape. Investors must learn to differentiate between reliable projects and scams. Researching white papers and understanding the technology behind these bitcoins is very crucial. Another trend that we see is portfolio diversification. Investors are no longer putting all their eggs in one basket. They now aim for a mix of traditional assets and cryptocurrencies. A balanced portfolio helps mitigating the risk while maximizing returns. Let's discuss the impact on traditional investment firms. Many are now starting to offer crypto options to their clients. They realize that ignoring this trend could lead to loss of business potential. Traditional and crypto investment strategies are starting to blur, and that's creating exciting opportunities for investors everywhere. Now let's shift gears and talk about regulations. These can make or break cryptocurrencies in a long run. As governments worldwide develop regulation, it's crucial for investors to stay informed. These regulations can increase the legitimacy of the market, but they could also limit the Wild West feel, which attracts a lot of crypto investors. We can't ignore the psychological aspects of investing. FOMO, the fear of missing out, can definitely push investors to invest impulsively. At the same time, fear of losses can definitely cause hesitation. These psychological factors significantly influence the investment behavior. So what does the future hold for cryptocurrencies? What are your views? Do mention them in the comments. I know that's a tough question. While crypto has established itself as a legitimate investment tool, it still faces challenges. Factors like technological advancements, regulatory changes, and market demands will shape its future. It's a constantly evolving landscape, and investors must adapt. So what should you do if you are thinking of entering the crypto market? Start small and educate yourself. Research different coins and understand their fundamentals. Consider joining online communities to gain from the experienced investors' insights. And always be cautious of risk. Invest only when you can afford to lose. So how is crypto transforming the investment scene? It's leading to more accessible, diverse and community-led investing decisions. The traditional methods of investing are facing new competition, and path forward is full of exciting new possibilities. If you found this video informative, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in subjects of business, finance and economy. Have you had any experience with crypto till now? Please do mention in the comment, and you can write to me on my mail ID, which is mentioned in the descriptions, and I will revert back to you. Be inspired, keep building.